Today we are going to learn about principles of inheritance. Now first question arises is, what is inheritance? Inheritance is the transfer of characters from one generation to another. We learn it under heredity also. And in your 10th class you have already learned about it. Yes? Okay. So then next point is, I have made a web chart here. This web chart defines what we are going to study now. First is your Mendel's laws of inheritance. This we already teach in 10th class, where we tell about law of dominance, then law of segregation of characters. Third is law of independent assortment of characters. Now children, I have written here monohybrid, dihybrid. Okay. So what is this monohybrid? Monohybrid means when we are going to cross an organism for studying only one character. Only one character study. So I will write here one character study. Now what is the meaning of dihybrid? It is two character study. So now we got two things here. One is a monohybrid cross and other is a dihybrid cross. By this only Mendel was able to study the laws of inheritance, and he gave them. Second is the law of segregation of characters. Here we will learn more about it in the next lecture. Third is law of independent assortment of characters, which is based on the dihybrid cross only. That also we have to learn in the next chapter, because here I am right now telling you about what we need to study, and this is an introduction lecture. Second is the deviations from the laws of Mendel or Mendelian laws. The first one is the codominance, second is incomplete dominance, third is polygenic inheritance and linkage. There are other deviations also. Actually, mostly law of this codominance and incomplete dominance, they are deviations from the law of dominance. We will again study them in the coming lectures. Now coming to the linkage, this actually does not follow the assortment of the characters. That will also follow next. Then comes the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Here you can see chromosomal theory of inheritance. It was given by Sutton and Boveri, and it was proved by Thomas Hunt Morgan. Because this is the first class, I am just telling you the important keywords which we need to study during the chapter. It's a big topic, so one by one we will be taking the lectures. Next is the disorders which are there. Now disorders, first is the chromosomal disorder, second is the genetic disorder which we are going to study. The chromosomal disorders are actually due to the difference in the chromosomal numbers, or the aberrations we call them. And it is due to aneuploidy and polyploidy. Polyploidy mostly is not found in the humans, but yes, aneuploidy is found where 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1 takes place. 2n means the number of chromosomes which are there, set of chromosomes. If there are more than 43 chromosomes, then definitely there will be a disorder, like 46 I should say properly, more than 46. If 47 chromosomes are there, there will be a disorder. If there are 43 chromosomes, there will be a disorder. So that the chromosome number should be 46 exactly. Now coming to that is, there is Down syndrome, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. These all we are going to study again in the coming lectures. Then comes your genetical disorder. These are due to the difference in the genes or the genetical setup. So there is thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, hemophilia, phenylketonuria. Now these all things we are going to study during the coming lectures. Okay, thank you.